Well, thanks. A Waupaca County judge accepting a motion today in the case against Tony Haase that could point to evidence that his attorneys say he is innocent.
Haase was arrested in 2022 and charged with the 1992 stabbing death of Tana Togstad and Tim Mumbrew. He was 21 at the time of those murders. Samantha Cavalli was in the courtroom for today's hearing. She tells us what this could mean in trial in a First Alert update.
The defense filed the motion back in January to tell the jury during trial that another man could have killed the victims in this case. Action 2 News is not naming him because he was not officially charged. Court documents suggest their Denny suspect worked with Tim Mumbrew at the Waupaca foundry, blaming Mumbrew for getting him fired. The Denny suspect may have also had a romantic interest in Tana Togstad. He died by suicide in 2021, 1 year before Haase was charged.
Unless the state at some other hearing prior to trial can convince me that he absolutely is not or capable beyond a reasonable doubt.
Prosecutors say Haase, after a day of drinking, killed the couple. Haase blamed Togstad's father for causing a snowmobile crash that killed his father 15 years earlier and had a physical fight that led to the stabbings. The state argues the Denny suspect has no connection to the case, asking for a hearing to appeal the decision.
And they've had 3 years now to come up with this definitive proof. I don't know why we want to have, give them yet another opportunity. I don't know. It's kind of ridiculous.
The judge Friday allowing DNA evidence at trial collected from Haase using a pen during a traffic stop in 2016, along with the original autopsy reports. Hase's trial is expected to begin July 14th and could last up to a month. Another motion hearing will be scheduled at a later date. Reporting in Waupaca County, Samantha Cavalli, Action 2 News.